In this video, you're going to learn all about what ChatGPT is, how it works, and how it can increase your productivity. So let's get started. So head over to your browser and type openai.com. This is the official website for OpenAI, which is the research company that founded ChatGPT. So over here, I'll scroll down and I'll click on try ChatGPT. So before we proceed with ChatGPT, we must log in with an OpenAI account. I don't have one, so I'm going to sign up. One. So over here, create your account. You can choose to go with your normal regular email address, with your Google account, or with a Microsoft account. So follow the steps. So I've successfully installed ChatGPT, as you can see. Now here's a tip: if you would like to change the mode, you can choose the light mode, but I will stick with the dark mode. Okay. So ChatGPT has a chatbot interface, as you can see, whereby you need to provide an input and ask whatever you want to it. Basically output your result and send it back to you. So we always have to prompt first to make use of ChatGPT. So here are some examples of questions you can ask ChatGPT. The abilities of ChatGPT is very awesome. Like, remember what you see in a conversation earlier. It also allows you to make corrections, and it's also trained to handle inappropriate requests and decline it. Now, there are some limitations when it comes to ChatGPT. For example, it generates incorrect information from time to time, may occasionally produce harmful instructions or biased content. And also, if you ask ChatGPT questions after 2021 that is about the world or events, it can't give you the answer because it was not trained after 2021. Now, with this in mind, please prompt ChatGPT with some questions. So I prepared two questions. So the first question here is, how do I sell my products on Facebook? Let's say you just have products, but you want to get into Facebook and you don't have any idea on how to do it. So you can ask ChatGPT this. Let's ask ChatGPT. So this is amazing. With ChatGPT, we've been able to see how we can follow steps to sell our products on Facebook. It's awesome, right? So let's say I'm a developer. I'm a developer actually. Yeah. So developers actually make use of ChatGPT to help them save times when it comes to writing code. Let's say I'm working on a project and I just want to generate code ASAP. I can just type in my question here. Let's say generate a login script to JavaScript, and once I hit enter, ChatGPT helps me to do that. Saves me the stress of going to Google or maybe making errors because I'm checking that. But with ChatGPT, you can see saved time. Awesome, right? Yeah. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.